Parang sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Hi mga loves! It's me again, Michiko, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, meron naman tayong bagong video na gagawin at ang ating gagawing video ay sunset-inspired makeup look. So, tayo ay with combination of yellow, orange, and red eyeshadow. And of course, bibida na naman ating paboritong eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed. So, I'm gonna use the the lemon eyeshadow palette. For today's video, we're gonna try this product from Sace Lady. So, I got here the All Matte Pore Invisible Face Primer. This primer is for minimizing facial pores, smoothing, moisturizing, and of course, flawless finish. And of course, meron din tayo ditong full coverage concealer, of course, from Sace Lady. So, napakaliit lang niya. Let's see kung effective ba siya, kung ito ba ay legit na magandang gamitin for our makeup tutorial for today. Yung primer ng Sace Lady, super smooth niya sa mukha. So, as in, nararamdaman mo talaga na parang nagko-close yung pores mo. Bongga to, bongga. So, you can order Sace Lady sa Lazada and Shopee. Sobrang bilis lang ng shipping nila kahit tayo ay nasa ECQ. So, go, push lang, shopping na kayo ng shopping. So, ayan, this is my face after using the Sace Lady primer. So, yan, nakikita niyo siya na parang naging blurry and nag-close yung pores. I think ready na tayo mag-apply ng another product sa ating face. And next naman na natin i-apply is yung ating concealer, again from Sace Lady. So, tatakpan natin yung mga dark spot and mga scars sa face and yung lower eye na maraming eye bags. Yung shade nito, guys, is number 4. Gagamitin ko lang na pang-apply ng concealer natin is yung aking fingertip. So, okay. Yan yung magiging tsura natin. Then, after that, be-blend ko lang siya ulit gamit yung fingertip ko. So, we were going to keep blend. Blend. Alam niyo, ang ganda niya. Yung Sace Lady na to, primer and concealer, is only around 290 pesos. Kasama na yung shipping, ah. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung ating coverage for today, you can add to cart it now. Yan. So, this is our face after using the concealer. So, kita nyo naman kanina yung ating bare face natin. Sobrang maraming redness and imperfection sa mukha. But then, after applying this Sace Lady concealer, look at my face. It's very nice. So, for our foundation, I have here the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation with the shade of 128. Alright, tapos na tayo maglagay ng foundation. After that, isa-set lang natin yung ating foundation. I'm going to use the Avon True Pressed Powder with the shade of medium. So, maganda din to, guys. And for our bronzer, I'm using e.l.f. with the shade of Turks Caicos. Yan. So, sobrang bonggang-bongga naman po pala ito. So, yan. And for our next step, maglalagay na tayo ng eyebrow using the MAC Brow Powder and my angle brush. We're now going to move on sa ating eyes. I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette na lemon. Push natin ang ating sunset eyeshadow look. But before that, so maglalagay muna ako na foundation again to my eye crease. Para mas maging matingkad, ma-absorb na eyes natin yung eyeshadows. Alright, so after that, we're going to move on now to our eyes. So, yung mga pinututuro ko dito is napapanood ko lang din siya and I am inspired. So, kaya natin siya ginagawa ngayon. So, para ako maka-inspired sa inyo. So, yun. So, para sa mga kikay na katulad ko na ang daming gustong matutunan sa makeup, so, sabayan niyo ako let's go and do this makeup. So, gagamitin ko na ang ating Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette na lemon. Sana magustuhan niyo ang ating mga series of eyeshadow colors. So, nagawa ko na yung pink, yung blue, and now we're move on to yellow eyeshadow. So, sana ma-achieve natin yung sunset look. We're gonna need this. Alright, so we're gonna switch eyeshadow palette. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. You can do what you want with this palette. So I'm going to use this orange. I hope you guys seeing that color. And for our next shadow, we're gonna apply the red eyeshadow sa ating outer crease para magkaroon ng soft blend. So, yung medyo nagiging reddish yung ating sunset. So, I'm gonna start here sa outer corner ng ating crease. Tutuloy ko na lang yung story ko kanina. Paano ako natutong mag-makeup. I only learn from YouTube, of course. Yung mga idol ko. Meron ako dating first YouTuber talaga na lagi kong pinapanood. Yung JLove Max. So ngayon, medyo naglaylo lang siya. Hindi ko na siya masyado nakikita na nag-upload ng mga beauty vlogs. Doon ako natuto kung paano magulot ng buhok, kung paano mag-apply ng makeup, especially ng eyeshadow. Kasi dati hindi talaga ako marunong maglagay ng eyeshadow. Ang alam ko lang is yung one layer, yung base lang lagi, yung isang ganun lang. So ngayon, this is how we do it. So, natuto na tayo. Kaya we're doing another episode of experiment ng ating look. Alright, so that's it. So, I'm gonna remove this eye patch. Ooh. So, this eye patch, ginagamit natin siya para maiwasan natin yung mga fall off sa ating cheeks. That's it. Then, we're going to do the lower part of our eyes. Yan, so much pretty. Blend out everything. Alright, so we're going to add some glitter and shiny eyeshadow dito sa ating inner lid. Wow! So, yan guys. That's my gold shimmering in my eyes. Guys, sobrang perfect nito. Sobrang ganda niya yan. I hope you can see. Guys, sobrang mura lang nito. Pili na kayo. Pasok mga suki. Presyo divisoria. Charot. So, yung presyo niya, worth naman niya yung kanyang quality. So, hindi na masama. Yun. Parang sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Nawala. Okay, for our next is, maglalagay naman tayo ng eyeliner sa ating mata. For my mascara, I'm using this Super Shock Max Mascara from Avon. And we're going to add some nose line. Highlighter. Yes, 7. And for my blush, I'm gonna use Fit Me blush. And for my lips is this one, orange lip liner, and ang shade ito is Toast of New York. Uy, bagay. Guys, actually, okay na yung ating lip liner na orange. So, bagay siya sa ating look. Look at that! Cutie! So, wala kasi akong orange na lipstick. Pero I think, ang ganda niya sa orange. Oh my God. Ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute niya. So, papatungan natin na siya ng Toast of New York. Our final look. So, I'm gonna do a finish touch and ako yung magpapali. And this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed this sunset-inspired makeup look. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, mag-subscribe now. Just click the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga vlogs and everything. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below para sa mga suggestion nyo. And I'm open, and I am open for everything na isasuggest nyo or request or challenge. Please, challenge me. Gagawin ko lahat yan. And of course, a big shoutout to my 1,000 subscriber. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I hope dumami pa kayo, mga loves. Yes, I pray to God na maraming manood sa mga vlogs and everything ko. So, kaya nga, guys, please suggest everything. I hope na nag-i-enjoy kayo sa pag-watch ng aking mga vlogs. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Love, loves.